How you doing? This is Dan Swede from Hydro-Chem Systems here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today we're going to discuss high-speed surface cleaner attachments. These are the Landa units. The one here on my left, actually the best one to start with, that's your basic unit. It's a 20-inch cleaning pass, polyethylene housing, so it's corrosion resistant. It's all powder coated handle. You also have on this system, basically what you're doing is you're putting high pressure hot or cold water into the unit. It's going to come down through the swivel assembly and then be split off into a T-bar assembly with two spray nozzles here. These spray nozzles, they're angled, so when you pull the trigger, just like on a pressure washer, you'll get the kick. It'll kick and start rotating this just like a lawnmower blade. This is angled to rotate this direction, and what it'll do, it'll rotate up around 2,000 RPMs, give or take, depends on what kind of flow and pressure you put into them. At this point, just like a lawnmower cutting grass, once you apply it, it's going to shoot down, give you very even and consistent spray. So you basically are activating it with this unique lever-mounted trigger gun assembly here. Most of them have a gun that you get to hold all day long. This is nice because if you have to release it or do anything, automatically shuts off the machine immediately. So basically the operation is, we would have a pressure hose, which we'll demonstrate later, and you're just going to be able to walk this thing up and down. Traditionally, you're ending up at a 10-to-1 increase in speed. So anything that would normally take you 10 hours to clean, say a tennis court size area, it could be a parking area, tennis court, basketball court, any kind of commercial common area that took you 10 hours previously with a gun and wand. Normally this would reduce it down to about 1 hour. So a huge time and labor saving, fuel and water saving, and equipment wear and tear. This is called the Landa Cyclone. Now we go over to the deluxe version, which is Landa's water jet. Difference here is they go from a 20-inch cleaning path up to a 22-inch cleaning path. The other advantage is this will run at up to 175 degree Fahrenheit hot water through it. This will go all the way up to 190 degree Fahrenheit hot water. And anything above 175, 180, you're going to be able to remove chewing gum at that temperature, oil and greases. This one actually has a neat feature where you've got a poster mounted trigger gun and wand. So if you are running the hot water, you're able to go ahead and do your spot cleaning, your rinse down, anything up against the walls, corners. So this gun and wand is the deluxe version here. You still have the lever actuated on-off for the machine. Another huge feature is the fact that this actually has...
Matt, Paula's on line 1 for you again. Matt, Paula's parked on 1.
This actually has a stainless steel swivel assembly, the self-lubricating industrial grade ball bearings. It's a much more industrial swivel, which is actually the component that's holding everything together while the spray bar is rotating. It also has a thumb screw here at the top where you can loosen that up by hand if needed, and now you're able to actually pull the spray bar up. Say you're doing a tennis court or painted surface you don't want much impact on. You can also push it downward and adjust it anywhere in between to give you the exact impact required for the surfaces you're cleaning. When you're cleaning concrete like this, we normally recommend going ahead and pulling the spray bar all the way down to the lowest level. That'll give you an increased impact. Once again, a corrosion resistant housing assembly also makes it nice and lightweight and durable. Pneumatic tires on both units. You also have weak nuts here, so it'll allow you to remove the handle and make a collapsible handle assembly. You also have a swivel on this one too, so it allows it, when you're dragging the hose and going back and forth in different directions, it'll give you a lot more hose control. So this is the premier model, and we'll be demoing that shortly. So this is Dan Swede again, Hydro-Chem System. You can contact us at 1-800-666-1992. Our website is www.hcsclean.com, and you can also email us and we'll send you brochures, catalog, and price quotes at sales@hcsclean.com. Thank you.